Hello and welcome to today's myminimaths.co.uk video tutorial. And today we are going to be comparing the value of two different numbers. So first thing we need to do is look at our place value and look at the value of each of the columns. So we have our units, we have our tens, our hundreds, our thousands, and so on. Okay, if we place a little line underneath there for our headings, and we're going to look at the first question, which is comparing the value of 76 and 80. So if I place 76 and 80, and what we notice about our numbers is if we come from this side here, the units are smaller than tens, and if we come from this side here, our tens are bigger than our units. So what we're really interested in is coming from this side here, just to check how big the digits are. So if we have a little look at our tens, we can clearly see that 8 tens is bigger than 7. So it doesn't matter what comes after it because the 8 is always going to be bigger. So therefore 80 is the largest value of the two. And that's the reason why. And next we're on to question 2, and this time we're going into the hundreds column and we're going to compare 154 with 129. Okay, and again, like we said before, we're going to come from this side and we can clearly see that our hundreds are the same. So there's no difference, so we can't compare them using the hundreds. So we move along a column and we can see that the 50 is bigger than the 2 tens 20. So clearly the 154 is the bigger of the two values. And next we're on to question 3, which is comparing 735 with 455. So again, we're going to come from this left-hand side here and we're going to compare our hundreds, and we can see that the 700 is immediately bigger than the 400. So it doesn't matter what comes after because that 700 is always going to beat that 400. So 735 is our largest number of the two. And then finally for question 4, we need to write all 6 values into order, starting with the smallest. So again, let's place our headings. We have our thousands, our hundreds, our tens, and our units. Okay, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a look. First, for question 1, we've got two-digit numbers, so they're going to be smaller than the 3-digit numbers, and we identified 76 being smaller than 80 because of the 7 tens and the 8 tens. So let's place 76 first, followed by the 80. Then we have 4 3-digit numbers in question 2 and 3. And we can clearly see that the 100 in question 2 is going to be smaller than the 700 and the 400. So again, then we're going to look at the tens, and we know that the 20 is smaller than the 50, so it's going to be 129 followed by 154. And then finally we have the 2 values in question 3, and we can see that the 700 is bigger than the 400, so we're going to place the 455 next, followed by the 735 for the full list in order, starting with the smallest, which we call ascending order. Thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Mini Maths YouTube channel for all the latest video updates. Take care now.